Alright, we're going to find the horizontal asymptotes for all the functions below. So to find this horizontal asymptote, we talked about it earlier, we're going to take the limit as x approaches positive and negative infinity for this function. And in order to do that, we're going to divide this function by the highest degree in the denominator, which is x cubed. Okay, so we're dividing by the highest degree in the denominator. And so we slowly do that. Once I do that, what you have here, that disappears in a couple of simplifications, but I have the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity of, this is going to be 3 over x minus 2 over x squared, 5 over x cubed, minus 6. So when I now plug in my positive infinity, say I plugged in positive infinity, that'd be 0 minus 0 over 0 minus 6. So that would give me 0. So my answer to this one, my horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And if I were to plug in negative infinity, I would still get zeros in all these spots, so it doesn't change. So it's the horizontal asymptote of y equals 0 in both directions. So for this one, it's different than this one. It's not in a polynomial form. It's in a factored form. What do we do? Well, we do FOIL and get this form. Simple as that. It's easier than you think. So this is going to be the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity. And as you do that, you're going to FOIL out the top. So FOIL is this thingy. So that'd be 3x squared, minus 5x plus 12x minus 20. And that would be over x squared plus 10x plus 25. Because again, this would be like an x plus 5 times x plus 5. And then you would go like, oops, not that way. I usually like tops first. You go boo, 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 boo. You multiply that out. And so we have that. Now, let's combine these and make this a 7x. So we're going to combine those and make those a 7x, a positive 7x. So let's do this. All right, we have the limit as x approaches positive negative infinity. And this would be, what's the highest degree in the denominator? It looks like an x squared. So this would be a 3x squared over x squared plus a 7x over x squared minus a 20 over x squared. This would be an x squared over x squared plus a 10x over x squared plus a 25 over x squared. Woo! That took a while. Alright, so I now have the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity of 3 plus 7 over x minus 20 over x squared, 1 plus 10 over x plus 25 over x squared. All right, so let us now plug in infinity, or negative infinity, and we get 3 plus 0 minus 0 over 1 plus 0 plus 25, which that would be equal to 3. When you reduced it, or 3 over 1, which is equal to 3. So my horizontal asymptotes are going to be y equals 3 in both directions. Now, why is it both directions? Because if I put a negative infinity into these would all be 0 as well, creating the same direction. So both directions, it's going to go towards y equals 3 in either direction.